This is the original transmission pan from my 7G 722.9 on the CL500. I took this off a couple of years ago when I upgraded to the newer pan. That pan is designed, main reason is it doesn't hold a lot more fluid. It's slightly deeper and has the oval standoffs to hold up this newer filter. It's the Smart Media triple filter, which is thicker than the original 7G filter that came with this car in this pan. So anyway, you do that so you get better filtering. Anyway, this is the old pan. A lot of you that have the 7G have this older pan, the white standoff. And I want to explain what I'm trying to do with this, but mainly it's based on the problems and limitations with the Mercedes pans, the way they engineered it. The pan itself has only one plug. You drain and you fill through this, and the filling is set based on the level with this standoff, this removable plastic standoff pipe. When you need to drain it, you open up the plug. The oil inside the transmission comes down to this level and it stops. At that point, you put in a screwdriver in it to push this off. It falls, and then the rest of the ATF drains down. Anytime you want to change the ATF fluid, you have to drop this pan, get a new gasket, clean it, put a new standoff on there, and then close it up and set your fluid. So that's the old way of doing these things. Today I want to show you an alternative, something much better. This is an aluminum forged pan. I want to tell you about this. I reached out, and this is not sponsored. I paid for this. I reached out to this company, PML. They're available at yourcovers.com. Here's their phone number. Again, 800-335-4345, yourcovers.com. They are a U.S. company, a small mom and pop shop based in Inglewood, California. This is their small catalog. So here's what the advantages with these. First of all, you get the deeper pan. You get these baffles that keep the fluid from sloshing around. There's a real dedicated drain plug. The Mercedes-Benz pan does not have that. They also give you with it a nice beefy drain bolt right there. Look at that. That's not going to get rounded off. It's not like the smaller 4mm hex bolt that you need on the Mercedes. And there's a solid magnet on here. And always just take off, drain the fluid, and inspect this thing right here. See if there's any metal to see the condition of your transmission. This makes a whole lot easier for diagnostic. The other part to this that makes it amazing is right here, a metal level pipe. So you don't need to deal with the plastic anymore. This is always there, and it's only used for filling it up and setting the level. Drain through here, fill up is through here. No more plastic parts that you need to buy. You don't have to buy this thing anymore for the newer pan. So this is done away with. The other thing that's amazing is you got these dedicated holes for the mounting bolts. So they give you these mounting bolts. They come with washers, and these are permanent. You can use them forever. They're not torque to yield, so you don't have to worry about that. You don't need to worry about over torquing them. You just make it snug and you're done, and that's it. The other option is they sell a gasket, a rubber cork gasket for this if you want. If you don't want to do that, just use your gasket maker. Just put a thin bead of that all along and make your own gasket. Nice and easy. And again, for these screws, you got the bolts in there, so you don't need these torque to yield, these are the older ones from Mercedes. These are one-time use, and then you throw them away every time you need to drop the pan to set the fluid, change the filter, whatever. All right, check this out. On the bottom, Look at this. So this will cool the transmission pan, and the fluid protects your transmission. All these reasons combined is why this is worthwhile. This thing's about 350, 400 bucks. You look for it on the website.